Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam, and today I'm gonna show you how to create a group in Groupme. Alright, so you're gonna see the blue button like a post kind of thing, and we're gonna press and we're gonna just click group. Alright, and here you're gonna name your new group, and let's say for example, let's call them G's. Alright, G's. Sorry, G's. And after you name your group, you're gonna just give your group a description if you want to give a description, and if you don't, just hit next and type the name or phone number of these members that you want, the how can I say, the members, right? And after you enter the name or phone number, and you're gonna just hit continue, and you're gonna add them right here. And if you want to skip this part, just click skip, and you will see like who can join your group, anyone, or if it was a private group, just go and hit approved members, so you can see which people that you want they want to join your group, so you can approve or not. All right, and here it says visibility if you want it to be hidden, or if you want it to be visible to everyone, so anyone can find it by just name or location. If you don't, just leave it hidden. And you're gonna see right here customize group. If you want to apply theme, you can always just choose the theme of this group, and you're gonna just go ahead right here and choose the theme of this group. And basically that's how you create a group. And if you want to change the emoji, like, or just leave it a heart like this, or not liked, and this is the emojis of this group. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.